Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process of transferring WhatsApp from an Android phone to an iPhone, and we're going to be using the cable method because the cable method is faster, is more stable, and also better than the Wi-Fi method. So let's go. So before we proceed further, you must note that your iPhone must either be a brand new or factory reset phone. If your iPhone is already set up, this transfer will not work until you erase it. Okay, so if you want to erase the iPhone, ensure that it is backed up in case you have any important files on the iPhone. It is backed up. So if you want to erase it, what you just do, you go to settings, click on general, then reset iPhone, then tap erase all content and settings. So it will return back to the factory reset, and then you can proceed. Okay, so the next thing to do is to prepare your Android phone. Ensure that you check your WhatsApp, that it's updated on Play Store. Ensure your WhatsApp is updated. Then confirm that your chats are present. Also ensure that your phone is fully charged. The Android phone, ensure it's fully charged. Turn on your Wi-Fi. Then connect the cable, your Type-C cable to your Android phone, then the light cable to your iPhone. So ensure that there's an established cable connection between the iPhone and the Android phone. So once both phones are fully charged and also an established connection has been done using the cord for the two phones, you can go ahead and turn on the iPhone, select language and region, then continue to transfer screen. So you would see a place where it will ask you where are you transferring from. So you select from Android. So on your Android, you must have installed the move to iOS on your Android. If not, go to Play Store, then search for move to iOS, download it, open the app, and then accept the terms and grant permissions. Then move forward to the next step. So at this point, we are going to establish a device connection. So on the iPhone, you just type continue, and you're going to get a 6-digit code. Sometimes it's 10, but mostly 6-digit code. Which also on the Android side, you will see a place where you have to input the code. So go ahead and input the code into the Android, and then tap connect, and then wait for it to connect. So on the Android phone, you will see the data transfer screen. Just select WhatsApp, then click on start. At this point, you wait for the transfer to finish up. This usually takes some couple of hours, but to be displayed how long it takes for the transfer to complete. Just ensure that you don't shake the cable connection to avoid interruption in the transfer. So when the transfer is complete, you will see something like this. So what you just do, you tap done on the Android and then tap continue on the iPhone. Then go ahead to finish the iPhone setup. So at this point, what you have to do is just go to App Store, install WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, and then verify your number. So once you've confirmed your number, you look out for chat imports. Okay, so once it pops up, click on import chats, and that's all. So at the end of the day, you would have been able to transfer your personal chats, group chats, photos and videos, documents, profile photo, communities and channels data, all have been transferred. One thing I want you to note is, anytime you want to perform this process, it is important to note that the higher your WhatsApp data size, the longer time it will take to transfer. So I advise that you keep your WhatsApp data below 10 gigabyte data. Below 10 gigabyte data. So before you begin the process, open your WhatsApp on your Android, go to chats, backup, and check how much of data you have for your WhatsApp. Sometimes some persons have 1 gig, some have 2 gigs, some have 5 gig. So, but the moment you start seeing large size, like 10 gigabytes and above, this means that you have a lot of videos on your WhatsApp, a lot of videos. So what you have to do is to start deleting videos from your WhatsApp. You have to delete a lot of videos from your WhatsApp, and also turn off the video backup on your WhatsApp. Go to chat backup, turn off the video backup. So you want to achieve a smaller size of data before you begin the transfer. The most important thing is not even the videos actually. The most important thing is your data, your charts, your documents, and the rest of them. Most times the videos are just not too important, but if the videos are important, you can actually send them to someone. Just send them like through WhatsApp message to somebody, or maybe to your other line. Just send it there, so you have it there as a backup. Then delete videos. The more you delete videos, the more you have less data, and then the better it is for the transfer process. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.